Hey subscribers! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is March 20, Saturday, 3:11 p.m. and kakatapos ko lang mag-workout kaya wala akong makeup. I'm only wearing lipstick from Colorette. This is the Color Tints. This is the mini Color Tints. It's in the shade Ava. So ayan, that's what I'm using on my face right now. Other than that, wala na akong makeup. Yun. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-workout kaya medyo namumula ako. Char! Bisisa ka, girl! Short story time. Kanina, mga few minutes ago, kakadating lang kasi nito. Kaya wala akong makeup, kaya hindi ako nakapaghanda and everything kasi hindi ko siya in-expect na dadating siya today. Since gustong-gusto ko na siyang gamitin, I decided to make the unboxing video right now. Okay, so yun, nag-workout ako. Yung phone ko, nasa room ko. And then, nag-call and text si LBC sa akin. Tinanong lang kung ano yung address ko and I was not expecting na ito yung iPhone yung dadating today kasi araw-araw meron kasing package na dumadating dito sa bahay. Maybe Shopee order Shopee na mga package or mga PR package. So, it's either of the two. Okay, so I know that I'm super late. If naghahanap kayo ng like legit na techie review, unboxing stuff, then this video is not for you. Mag-skip ka na lang or just watch Liz Tech or Mary Bautista sa YouTube kasi they really make awesome unboxing videos. But for me, this is just for my documentary purposes. Before we unbox the phone, eto pala yung mga freebies na nakuha ko. This is from Zinnia's iPhone store, by the way. Hindi ko alam yung name ng shop niya, basta friends kami sa FB, si Zinnia Sitin Faith. So I will leave her link down below in the description box just so you can check them out if you want to buy an iPhone or any Apple gadget that you want. She accepts swap to, like, for example, yung iPhone X ko, ipapaswap ko into iPhone 12 Pro. Tapos, mag-a-add ka lang ng cash. By the way, this is my phone right now. It's the iPhone X 256GB na color black. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! Hello! So, I'm filming right now using my Samsung Galaxy A12 na in-unbox ko kahapon. I'm still trying out its quality sa video niya, but so far, so good naman. This is my second time unboxing an iPhone. Yung in-unbox ko yung iPhone 12 Pro from Shopee. It was a video for my TikTok account. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So first we have here an iPhone charger. And then, as expected, walang Apple earphones, AirPods, or anything like that. But we have the SIM ejector right over here. And of course, the Apple sticker. Okay, so this is the very phone itself. Ayan, let's take time and appreciate the back of the phone. I'm super excited to make amazing quality contents for you guys. Oh, so pretty! Oh, okay. It's slightly bigger and bolder. Oh, it's slightly wider. Wala pa tong screen protector, guys, or tempered glass, ha. Pinadalhan nila ako ng free tempered glass. So, thank you so much, Ate Zinnia. I'm gonna put her link down below if you guys are interested in buying any Apple phones. So, I don't know, but I think you can transfer, diba, yung files sa old iPhone mo to your new phone. By the way, how's my camera quality so far? I'm filming using the Samsung Galaxy A12. So far, maganda naman ba? Hindi ko kasi alam. Pero I will play it later. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, let's go. Wow! First Face ID scan complete. It's so smooth. Hindi siya yung phones na glass, back glass. Kagaya nito. 'Di ba? Glass yung likod ng iPhone X. Surprise! It's cracked. It's 100% fully working and everything. Hey guys, so So, ngayon pala ako nakapag-update regarding the phone. This is the one that I'm using right now, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Ang ganda talaga ng quality niya, guys. Hindi siya nakakapagmahay. Like, no regrets. Just love. Charot. I've been using this for quite some time now. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang video, pang picture, and everything like that. And ang ganda talaga ng qualities ng picture/videos ko compared to my old phone. So, I think, if ever bibili man ako ng iPhone ulit, magiging yung bibilhin ko mga iPhone 14 or 15 kasi super satisfied talaga ako sa quality ng phone ko ngayon. So, basta, I'm super happy. Ayan. And also, I would like to thank Xenia Satin Faith iPhone Store kasi sinwap ko kasi yung phone ko na iPhone 12 Pro from Shopee. So, ayan, nag-add lang ako ng a little bit of cash and then, yeah, there you go. Meron akong 12 Pro Max na 256 gig and binigyan niya pa ako ng free case and tempered glass. So, ayun. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you, and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.